Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter number 1, Shloka number 20. Atha vyavasthitān dṛṣṭvā dhārtarāṣṭrān kapi-dhvajaḥ pravṛtte śastra-sampāte dhanur udyamya pāṇḍavaḥ hṛṣīkeśaṁ tadā vākyam idam mahī-pate. Sanjaya says, then, seeing the sons of Dhritarashtra standing in military array and the discharge of weapons about to begin, Arjuna, the son of Pandu, seated in the chariot bearing the flag marked with Hanuman, took up his bow and said these words to Sri Krishna, O Lord of Earth. Thus, after illustrating the fears displayed by the Kauravas before the battle, the enthusiasm of the Pandavas is expressed by the word atha, meaning thereafter. The critical situation prevailing just at that moment when the war was about to begin was described. The hero of Mahabharata war, Arjuna, had arrived at the battlefield. Tension prevailed everywhere and crisis was at its zenith. As the Kaurava army became fearful, to the contrary, Pandava army remained fearless and their boldness increased. This is shown by mentioning Arjuna's flag, which displays the fearless Hanuman as its emblem. By using the word kapi-dhvajaḥ, meaning the banner of Hanuman, the significance is that Hanuman fearlessly performed many extraordinarily difficult tasks for Lord Sri Rama. So, by that great devotee hero being on the flag at the top of Arjuna's chariot indicates that by his grace, Arjuna will be blessed with fearlessness. Arjuna raised his invincible bow named Gandiva at that moment, at the very brink of battle, when the clash of weapons was almost about to start. He calmly looked upon the well-arrayed army of the Kauravas before him and spoke to Lord Sri Krishna, addressing him as hṛṣīkeśaṁ, the master of senses. By the use of the word hṛṣīkeśaṁ, the Supreme Lord, who is the controller of everyone's senses, when that Supreme Lord Sri Krishna himself is carrying out the orders of the Pandavas, there is not the slightest doubt about the victory of the Pandavas, who are his intimate devotees. Here, Sanjaya addresses Dhritarashtra as mahī-pate, meaning, O Lord of Earth. He is indicating that his very rulership of the earth will soon be terminated due to lack of righteousness. At this critical juncture, Arjuna spoke the following words, which turned out to be historic as the starting point for the dialogue between them in the form of the great Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna.